Top of the morning, 2 more minutes. So we officially start the special. I'm already looking.
With special guests Ken Carson, Destroy Lonely, Homicide Gang, and Apollo Red. Get tickets now at livenation.com.
Ads be crazy. Alright, top of the morning, dog. It's a great day today, and I say that because we're living and breathing, and we have another opportunity to get it in. Alright, well, before I start, let me just say, this is your boy Mari. Today we're trading equity futures, specifically ES, specifically the MES, specifically micro S&P futures. Now, let's go ahead and get it in. Right now, you can see that price is currently dipping down. And I did make a previous video last night, and I'm pretty sure it's already on my page. How I was waiting for price to pretty much sweep this level down here. I see we got a 15 minute support level. All right, I went ahead and boxed it up. All I did was box the body. That's how I've been doing it for so long. All right, came down, it tested it, and I was looking for a volume confirmation off time and sales, but we never got it. It's funny, I actually didn't see anything on time and sales all day, and that's because I have filters for 50 and 100 size lots. But what's weird to me is that usually when I leave my computer on from about midnight till now, we usually see something up here, but nothing has popped up yet. So now I'm sitting here thinking to myself, Now I'm sitting here thinking to myself, well, what could it be? Is the volume thin? Is the volume thin? And I'm sitting here like, well, it's kinda, yeah. I mean, volatility is low, but volume is definitely not thin. All right, we have numbers, 3 million contract, dog. You know what I'm saying? People got money in here, but I can see that's playing in this range. I was trying to box the range, try to figure out what's the ceiling. You know, I seen the MA, it was kind of flat, so I boxed it. I figured, okay, here we the ceiling right here. Came down, tested my support area. All right, I was expecting it to come maybe like to come down maybe anywhere below 68 big fig 6800, but I noticed it couldn't close below this line right here. In my head, even a small size would have been alright, but see prices currently taken right now. Let's see if it'll give us another opportunity to jump in the same level. So I want to get in standard size. Let's go ahead and put on our music, our pondering music. Alright, so when these vibes come on, you know it's time to get busy. The time is 9:08. We're still technically pre-market, but a new wave is now formed, and I say that because, well, usually after 9, when something new starts happening. So we got this sort of uptrend all night. Well, ever since London anyway. Came up, came down. But I had this hourly support resistance that I marked up here. I figured, you know what I'm saying, if we ain't see nothing pop up down here, then we likely see something pop up on this hourly level, right? That was the thesis. That's what I was thinking. So here's what we're gonna do. As a class, we're gonna sit here and we're gonna wait together. Let's see if we can't get a sweep of the same level, and I'll be ready to jump in. My standard 10 MES, which is basically just one ES contract. So 1 ES equals 10 micro S&P contracts. But I like using the micros because I can actually cut 5 if I ever need to. And reversing is a lot easier too. So this must be the range. I want to risk 20. So 20 ticks can make 40. And if I end up being wrong, we're gonna cut the second position in half. It's gonna be 5. We're gonna use 5 MES contracts. And if that would fall through, well, then we're hit. Simple as that. So ignore everything that isn't the plan. I just laid out the plan for you. Range. This is a range. Let's go ahead and mark it out. Well, let me. So range play, what we're gonna do is we're gonna We're gonna buy low, sell high. All right, that's the play. Now we wait.
Hey guys, this is Charlie with Badass Beard Care, and today I'm here to talk to you all about our free sample offer. That's
It's 9:12. We don't want to do anything too fast. I've noticed in the past, I enter around maybe 9:15. Oftentimes it's too early. I was just reminiscing some videos last night about how I used to be Ozzy Mari. Like that's all I used to look at. Like all I used to look at, and it wasn't even futures back then. It was Forex. I always used to trade AUD USD. Like that was my favorite pair because it made the most sense. It made the most sense. I don't really like messing with currencies anymore. But if I looked at it right now, I bet you I could log back in. But the focus today is the S&P, and it's been doing some crazy things all year long. All year long, it's been throwing me for a loop. But in that time, I've uncovered my own truths. One of them being, well, one of the biggest ones, I don't have to be right. I don't need to know what's happening on the news, I really don't. It's nice to know, but low-key confusing. You just gotta box your, look, what I'm trying to say is, it's little things that happen in the market every day. You just gotta box in that little thing and exploit it as much as you can. Right, so this is our window, and the only thing I'm looking for really is 15-minute sweeps and sweeps of the 20 MA. This is a 20 MA. It's nothing too fancy. It's really just price action, yeah. Price action and time of sales, and that's for our volume confirmation. So we got it. This is our ceiling for sure. Now if I go long off here, right? Shoot, just half of the range is enough to clear us for the day. That's all we need. So we're only looking for, we buy at the bottom. All we need is for it to come up to maybe about where price is right now. Probably less than that, depending on where we get in. I'm gonna stay cash. I got time. This block of the day is reserved just for this right here. And I'm chilling. Excuse me. Yeah, it's so funny that like it feels like it's been like a whole month. We just been in like a data blackout, dog. Like it's no point even loading the news. Like nothing loads up. All we have is our expected numbers, but no actuals. Like everybody operating in this sort of data blackout. But the only thing that makes sense to me. The only thing that makes halfway sense to me is the concept of inflation. That's why the prices are going higher and higher. And I couldn't wrap my head around it for the longest time. I'm like, what? Why does it keep going higher, bro? Because things are getting more expensive. I don't think the S&P will see certain prices for a long time. One thing's for sure though, we're on an uptrend. Now there are long opportunities and there are short opportunities. All we want to do is line ourselves up with the momentum, and the momentum is long, though right now it's currently short. Just looking at these bars right here. See? Yeah, 1, 2. This pretty much broke down here. I'm not drawing it, but you can see this is a trend line break. I trained myself to see that so many times. So now it's breaking. If I had to guess, price has to at least test this again before it's like, alright, now I'm for real going dip. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna use that to pretty much say, okay, we buy low, we can expect price to then come back all the way up here, these highs, but I only want half. I only want half of it. Minutes until they open. If 9:30 gives us the push that we need, I'm getting in. But what's still bothering me is the fact that nothing has popped up on our time and sales yet. I suppose this is just one of those days. I suppose it's just one of those days. Can't stop yawning. Like, yo, what is this? It's always interesting to read these little headlines. Stock futures are little changed as traders eye AI trades. Supreme Court on tariffs. Live updates. U.S. stock futures were relatively unchanged on Thursday as investors kept an eye on the artificial intelligence trade as names in the space reach eye-watering valuations. Traders were also looking at Washington as the Supreme Court heard arguments over the legality of the Trump administration's tariffs. Oh my God. It's funny because these news releases, they're always, what am I trying to say? It's usually almost always after the fact. So you can't report on something like before it happens. It's usually just a prediction. So that's that on that. 7 more minutes. I anticipate in 7 more minutes we're gonna sweep the same level we did last night. It's funny, had I gotten in, we wouldn't be talking right now. You know? We wouldn't even be hanging out right now. I'd probably be snoozing. I knew it. The Magnificent Seven. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, Nvidia, and Tesla. That's what I was just looking at. It's always cool looking at this little map right here. That's showing. Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, Alphabet, or Google, Amazon, Meta, Tesla. The Magnificent Seven. So tech is down. The consumer is so, but a little bit more on the, positive side. We have communication services uppity up. Yeah, I'm feeling long, bro. 4 more minutes until the open. Let me make sure I'm on the joint set up. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I put 45, but I'm only looking for 40. It's gonna close me out anyway. So remember, the plan is a range play. We're buying low so we can sell high. This is not a guessing game, this is real life. Ignore everything that isn't in the plan. The plan. Ignore everything that isn't the plan. This is the plan. All right, here it comes. 2 minutes. Five seconds. 2, 1. Look, we're jogging in place. We jogging in place right now. It looks like we're reacting off of this for some reason. ain't going for that. That's weird. I've never seen this before. Like everything just went gray for some reason. Like there's no colors no more. We just had colors. Are they factoring in the numbers? Is that what it is? We're still waiting, guys. We're still waiting. Hold your horses. Just out of curiosity, let me see something real quick. Just out of curiosity, I'm not answering on the 5. Yeah, like I thought. So we're gonna sit here and we're gonna continue to wait. Was that a bull trap? Let's see. Almost forgot. We have one more. We have one hole in our plan. So let me edit it. There you go. So the plan is a range play, okay? We're gonna put a standard 10 as low as we possibly can, and if it fails, we're gonna cut the 5, and it's gonna be a 20 for 20 play. What I mean for that we're gonna risk half size. All right, we're gonna risk 20 for another 20. That 20 should be about like 80 something. We're gonna scout 20. So what we're gonna do. Yeah, prices like it's playing around in the middle of a range right now. And I'm not interested. Sorry, but you guys are paying too much. Y'all are paying too much for me. I'm not paying that. What, you lost your mind? I'm not paying that, bro. While I wait for this, I'm gonna text grandma. Make sure I text grandma. Good morning. And everyone in the chat, y'all say good morning to y'all grandmothers too, man. Before she get on y'all. Excuse me. Not the man that continually clicks buttons to get paid, but the one who's able to sit on his hands. Like it might be dying down now. Let's see if we can't get it. 940. Hopefully we get it in the next 5 minutes. 9:45 is not a bad time either. But I'm prepared to wait. Here it comes.
Order filled.
Like I said, I only want half of it. that price stay the same? It's like we're having a whole battle royale right here.
Order submitted.
Alright, we got ourselves a little break even. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of wicked a lot for me.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm clicking too much.
Order filled.
GG's. It's your boy Mari. I'ma catch y'all later, man. So what I did was I had a break even. I was gonna cut 5, but what I did was I actually put a sell stop instead of a market. So, like I said, I just wanted that half. That's all we had. Catch y'all later. Have a great rest of y'all day.